Joint Jain, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I stand before you as the chairman of panel of jury appointed for WBSC 201. Before proceeding further, I thank the whole team of BAI and the members of jury for giving me this. As you know, WBSC banner is getting a prestigious signet in the field of construction day by day, especially in and around Pune. We all must admire motive of BAI Pune Center behind the conducting such competition. The main motive is none other than the promotion of good practices in construction in terms of quality, speed and economy. We the juries had a tough yet interesting role to play during the whole process of this competition. We all worked together, discussed pros and plus and less plus, I don't call it minus because every entry was admirable, deliberated transparently to arrive at unanimous results which will be announced today in a moment. The panel of jury under chairmanship of Lakshman Thite along with advisory committee was formed by BAI Pune Center. The document related to WBSC 2011 was created by BAI Pune Center on the guidelines based on the previous documentation. The members of jury were appraised of the same. At the same time, guidelines for panel of jury and the advisory committee were prepared and finalized by BAI after due deliberations with the panel and the committee. The members of jury and the advisory committee connected with the entry were not involved in the process of assessment of that particular entry. Submission date was extended up to 1st December 2011. Finally, in all 22 entries were received. 2 out of them were disallowed on the basis of one of the eligibility criteria. In the first stage of the jury, the participants presented their respective entries before the members of jury. Each member of the panel and the committee was allotted a code number. The members assessed the entries category-wise and their reports were collected and sealed. In the second stage of jury, all the sites were visited by members of their respective category and the members of respective category-wise assessment reports were collected on the spot and sealed. A review meeting of all the members was held and after the recommendation of members, the best entries were selected. BAI Pune Center approved and accepted the decision of members of jury for the further action. Various points and aspects were deliberated and suggested during this process for further application and betterment of this competition in future. Some of the points are: 1. Additional category may be introduced to encourage the young constructor. 2. Looking at the present trend in the construction industry, additional category may be introduced for listed or specialized disciplines of the construction field such as HVAC, plumbing and sanitation, landscaping, facade construction, etc. 3. The intention of forthcoming competition may be declared in advance so as to make BAI members aware and to enable them to prepare and preserve the records and reports during the execution of the work to be presented at the time of participation. The informative booklet may be published and distributed among the members accordingly. 4. There is a suggestion that BAI should arrange visits of sites of winning entries for BAI members for their benefit. Lastly, I thank all who have helped us despite of their busy schedules to achieve this great task. Thank you.